has also assured us that the police have completed their deployment plan and will make the...
It was on for aha Ghana TV GH. Make sure like, comment, subscribe, turn on notification also, so that anytime you post a video, bit safe way no. Now it's like I share. We share we so share. Why man share? I don't share video no cry. Some more WhatsApp pages no so. And the share na obi so be share bi. Aha. I come there. Mamu no say na buy no call bibi anye yi enti. I come there YouTube for any bloggers in na.
By the NDC Deputy General Secretary, my good friend Mustafa Gbandi, in relation to the Akwatia by-election. In this, regarding the police being in position to cause arrest of NPP officials who are wanted by the police. At the meeting with the police, the NPP asked the police administration whether they had any warrant for the arrest of any NPP person, and the IGP's response was that no such warrants exist. Nevertheless, the New Patriotic Party has very reliable information and intelligence that the NDC intends to hide behind the guise of national security to terrorize some residents and voters in Akwatia and during the by-election. It is instructive to note that the police administration has indicated their deployment of 5,000 service men for the Akwatia by-election, despite the IGP's unequivocal assurance that the Ghana Police Service does not need any military support to maintain law and order. The famous Richard Jakpa, my namesake, who has been appointed as the Director of Operation at the National Security, has been seen preambulating the Akwatia constituency with soldiers and reportedly threatening some indigents and residents to leave town before the by-election in their own interest. Upon the assurance of the IGP, we want to make it abundantly clear that any soldier involved in the Akwatia by-election will be considered and dealt with as a thug, or in a manner as a thug. We therefore call on the President, who is the Commander-in-Chief of the Ghana Armed Forces, and in whose responsibility, on whose shoulder the responsibility of the security of the state rests, to call Richard Jakpa to order and ensure that no soldier meddles in the Akwatia by-election. We are also reliably informed that the NDC has been training some of the thugs they used or deployed in Ablikuma North parliamentary rerun under the guise of national security and intends to clandestinely clothe them in police uniform to deploy them during the by-election. The NDC and the Ghana Police Service must know that as a party that has just exited government in less than a year, we have our eyes and ears on the ground and on them, knowing what the NDC is noted for. The IGP has also assured us that the police have completed their deployment plan and will make the lists of their deployed officers available to the various political parties. On the honor of the IGP, the NPP demands the requested list of the senior officers to be deployed to each electoral area and the regional commanders who will be assisting them. We also request the IGP that all police officers on duty for the election must wear their official name tags, for easy identification and the avoidance of infiltration by the thugs that are planned to be included. We make this reasonable request with the hindsight of the police brutalities on the non-violent Let My Vote Count Alliance demonstrators in September 2015, where several demonstrators were trapped and mercilessly assaulted and one lost his eyes in the process. Learning from the unresolved incidents from the Ablekuma North parliamentary rerun, the New Patriotic Party will defend itself. The New Patriotic Party will defend itself if the police fail to do so.
Amen.
Amen.
Amen. Thank you.
Amen. Thank you. All right, thank you, Foolish Case. Foolish Case in Conform to somebody nebi no. Almost wrong. And it's so grand. Yes, it's that. Mayor Mpacho Yanko, Mayor Senor.
My senior man, Mayor Senor, National Communications. National Regional Youth Organizer, Volta.
Oh, okay. That's nice. I've been seeing him on platforms, so Loyal Ladies platforms, so I know him.
Oscar.
I Mayor, where the area let me DM straight.
DM
Mayor Pacho, your family could do TV. Ube who will DM when check why. Me beje kakra. Tu say my I now say yeah. Girl they beje kakra.
Finance Department, NPP, Party Headquarters, Oscar.
As Robbie being the other, just routed through the voice of a man on Sarkis camera.
Been found for the voice of I saw them say me ko please me no be ko. Okay, me on Pacho mo akwa ba Pacho yenko.
Me da semenya ba in fact I think say I've been following the voice name Mama Kaina and my main farm of videos and show we be our platform issue. Na me ba my baso. Me bema the voice or come one anytime I come on this platform I'm so happy say a brand here fefe a weja na djuma abeka mo ho a mo nyina ma ba together just to fight the cause of the party. Nyame nhra mo bebre. And then me who post no Facebook no. And now one of our platform so regardless of my busy schedule, I also meet me joining. I mean, and then also add my voice to it. And I think I have listened to the voice from the beginning till now. And I feel